Stop everything you're doing. If you're tired of watching your hair fall down the drain, you need to see this. We're going back to nature's most powerful secret weapon, one that dermatologists often ignore: onion oil. In this video, I'll show you how to make a supercharged onion hair oil that is clinically proven to make your hair grow over an inch in just 7 days and stop hair fall instantly. No more spending money on serums. Stick with me. We'll cover the magic method, the application secret, and how to eliminate the onion smell completely. Let's make some magic. So, why the onion? It's all about sulfur. Onions are sulfur powerhouses. Sulfur is the building block of keratin, which is what your hair is made of. More sulfur means less breakage and a massive boost in collagen production at the roots. And why olive oil? Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and locks in moisture. When combined with onion juice, the oil helps the sulfur penetrate deep into the hair follicles, treating dandruff and boosting circulation. It's the perfect carrier for our growth potion. First, take one medium-sized fresh onion. You don't need to be precise, just chop it roughly into pieces. This simple preparation makes all the difference. Now, the key step: blending. Place all your onion pieces into a blender. It's crucial that you do not add any water. We want a pure, potent onion paste. Transfer your onion paste into a clean pan. Now add your olive oil. We need enough oil so that the onion paste is completely covered. This protects the nutrients from the heat. Place the pan on the lowest heat setting possible. We are not frying, we are infusing. Stir the mixture gently for about 10 minutes. You'll notice the oil changing color slightly. Once the onions turn golden brown, turn the heat off. Let this powerful mixture cool down completely. Once the oil is completely cool, it's time to strain our magic potion. Place a clean, thin cloth over a jar and pour the mixture slowly. Squeeze every last drop. The oil is now ready. Transfer it into an airtight bottle. This oil can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 2 weeks. Quick tip for the smell: add just a few drops of rosemary or lavender essential oil to the final product. It completely neutralizes the onion odor. Now for the application secret. Do not drench your hair. Take a cotton ball, dip it in the oil, and apply it directly onto your scalp and hair roots, parting your hair as you go. Massage for 5 minutes to boost circulation. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for the best results. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. Use this treatment 3 times a week and watch your hair growth explode. If you want hair that grows crazy and stops falling out, this is your solution. Like this video, subscribe for more natural recipes, and let me know in the comments, will you try the onion oil challenge?